Alright everybody, so we got a little guinea fowl that hatched with a curl foot. What a curl foot is, it's just a lame foot. And this happens sometimes whenever it hatches funny, and this one was stuck in the shell. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to fix this. It's really easy. All you need is some of this 3M medical grade tape. And we're going to make it like a little sandal, kinda. And it's super easy. And we'll leave it on there for about 2 days, and this will fix the problem. And she's going to show you guys how to do this here. All you need to do is get it kind of like that, nice and flat. And then make sure you don't get its little thumb in there or its toe. And you just make it flat like that. Peel it off. And it'll make itself like a little sandal. It'll keep it straight. We leave it on there for 2 days. We'll put it in the brooder with the rest of the chicks. And in a couple days, this thing will be walking normal. So I just want to show you guys how we do that, and we'll come back in a couple days and check on them. Alright, so we just took out the guinea from the brooder, and she's taken off this tape real quick, and let's see how its foot looks. See if it's fixed. It's been 2 days. Its foot looks a lot flatter. And definitely walking better. Yep, it's fixed. Set it down. Hey, look at that. See you. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this guy back out to the brooder. Put him back with his brothers and sisters. Let him rejoin his family. And there he goes. Alright, so that's how you fix a little curl foot. Pretty easy to do. Just have to wait a day or two, and it's usually pretty fixed. And that's it. Alright, if you guys like watching these kind of videos, like, subscribe. If you're looking to buy some chicks or some hatching eggs, nicholscounty.com.